Hello, here I want to show you a mortise mechanism, mostly found in stores, glass doors, glass frame. Sometimes you can see it like a two-side cylinder as here. One way can be Schleg keyway, SC1. The other side can be KW1, like Quickset. It can be multi-lock. It can be medical. It can be anything else. This in particular is like a dead latch, very strong. Will protect your store or anything that you use. Yeah, they run about $200 for the whole set. Probably the installation is about $125. I really recommend that to stores, businesses, or anyone who really need it. Thank you. Have a good day.